Hi and welcome to Trallon TV. My name is Ed Miles and this is the Bearing Gloat Glove. So Bearing Gloat Gloves comes into our range as our entry-level waterproof glove. It's got a small amount of insulation as well, so it really is a mid-season waterproof glove. Run down the back of the hand, you've got a full abrasion resistant material. With Bearing, it's French, it's got to be C approved, so you know these materials have been tested for their abrasion resistance running down the back. It's got a hard knuckle, again that must be tested by the C approval, so you've got the hard knuckle running there. Small amount of reflector on the inside of the hand there for a bit of active safety. If I run it around to the front, that same material runs down the front of the glove as well, so you're going to get that abrasion resistance even at this price point. The wrist restraint is a full wrist restraint. You can wrap it right around. I haven't got a jacket or anything at the moment, but it's nice and tight around my wrist. It's not going to come off in an accident. And a nice feature at this sort of budget price point, you've got the sensor system in the top of the glove. You can use this on any capacitive screen. That means iPhones, Android phones, any iPads, anything like that you've got. You've got a suede overlay for extra grip on the inside of the thumb. And that is the Bearing Gloat Glove. It's very simple, waterproof, BWTech 100 membrane, works perfectly for those guys that are looking for a glove with high quality C approval at a great price point. So for any more information, please go to trallon.co.uk or check out Facebook Bikeaheads.